Hey Salesforce hubs, ever wondered how Lightning Web Components power reactive pages? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. In LWC, reactivity means the UI updates instantly when your data changes. Properties decorated with @track or @API auto refresh the UI. Reactive getters let you compute values dynamically. Wired services fetch Salesforce data that reacts in real time. In short, your component becomes smarter, faster, and user-friendly. No manual refresh required. Try this in your sandbox and see the difference. Like, comment if you want me to cover error handling in LWC next, and subscribe for Salesforce Dev Insights.